Patents are going to make my idea public. What am I going to do? Hey, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. And yes, by filing a patent application, a non-provisional patent application, it will be published. And that is perhaps one of the downsides, but the huge upside is that if you do it right, you'll own it. And so the public should know about it. I mean, you're going to want to do that if you want to commercialize. So you have to do it the right way and make sure you get a patent on exactly what you're going to go to market with. There are some ways as well to accompany the patent with additional business trade secrets. So you can make the product, produce it, and make financial gain, as well as using the product and excluding anyone else from making, using, or selling it. Let's get to this with some examples here from the real world where other inventors like you said, I'm a little nervous, this is going to get publicized. How do I take advantage of my patent? So let's look at James Allison. This is the cancer immunotherapy drug, the checkpoint inhibitors. Check it out if you have a minute or two. Go look it up. Dr. James Allison's breakthrough in immune checkpoint therapy was patented before widespread publication and adoption. So the science became public as soon as the patent application was published by the USPTO as part of its normal procedure. There are ways to request a non-publication request, but as soon as the patent's granted, it's fair game because that's the exchange. The United States Constitution says, hey, you tell us your invention and we'll trade you for up to 20-year limited monopoly. So with James Allison, the patent rights enabled the controlling licensing and global developments he had around the whole world. Number two, you know him, Elon Musk, Tesla battery and EV patents. So Tesla publicly disclosed thousands of patents. He's famous for that. People assume that that means that they gave everything away. It's kind of funny because all patents are inherently published. So it's not like he did anything revolutionary or different. He just said that they're public. Patents are already public, but Elon Musk does things in his own way. But the cool thing is patents have rights, and sure, they're public. That doesn't mean other people can use them. That's the whole essence of a patent. It prevents anyone or any other company from making or using or selling that invention, even though it's been shared with the public. The purpose, the policy reason behind it is so that other inventors like yourself can learn from Elon Musk and other engineers at Tesla and make the next generation, keep evolution, keep evolving, I should say, and moving the technology forward. Let's switch to something a little more lighthearted, a dating app called Bumble. Whitney Wolfe Herd created Bumble and the matching system. She decided to patent the mechanics and the way that the system gathered, stored, analyzed, and matched data to one individual. And of course, as soon as the app launched, the system became public. But competitors couldn't legally replicate the specific protected methods of matching. And I believe Bumble is the one where it allows the female to reach out first. So the feature was visible in the App Store, but the protected system was not free to copy. So patents are public, yes. It can be scary. But if you do it right and get the grants protected, then you own it. So be loud, be proud, get it out there, and go make a difference in the world. Wishing you all an awesome day today. Go big, go bold.